Yeah, 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 yeah. Chris was unaware of his location, trying to meet a dime after I was on a staycation. Green light in the red zone, thought was a red bone. Had a chocolate friend, so he aiming for a two-tone. Salivating fresh, got him tripping in his senses. Interference for the system, so he don't receive the Texas warnings from his brothers. They don't seem to make it through. Trying to give a heads up for what he about to head up into. You might have to buckle down, young boy. Be aware of the area. You gon' have to buckle down, young boy. Be aware of your area. Spot rigged round here, every heartless Confederate. Police on watch, they don't believe the rhetoric. Now he fit the description of the most common stereotype. Black male, dark tints plus his stereotypes. Easy pickings, finger looking for the system. Tag him, drop him, bag him, get him another number, nothing different. Mama missing, daddy ditched him, auntie raised him, Christ can save him in the end. Need to repent from his sins, start again. You might have to buckle down, young boy. Be aware of the area. You gon' have to buckle down, young boy. See, look. Be aware of your area. Chris just followed the trends. Every idol he done had sold him a lie in the end. Get money, get power, get girls, then repeat. Live once, die young, trust none, never weep. Man, he don't see how he a slave. He don't see true liberty is in the truth life the way. Lord step and take away his blindness. Of grandma tears, she crying and crying and crying out for him to live. You might have to buckle down, young boy. Be aware of the area. You gon' have to buckle down, young boy. Be aware of your area.